Welcome everyone to Cloveron Tech News. Today, we're diving into the rabbit hole of AI tools that are so powerful, they almost feel illegal to use. But guess what? They're completely free. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore 10 of these game-changing resources. First up, we have Perplexity AI. Think of it as a supercharged search engine that gives you direct answers with sources. It's fantastic for research and understanding complex topics quickly. Next on our list is Gamma. It's an AI-powered presentation maker that can generate entire slideshows from a simple prompt. Seriously, it turns your ideas into visually stunning presentations in minutes. If you're struggling with writer's block, you need to check out Simplified's AI Writer. It helps you generate content for blogs, social media, and more, offering various tones and styles. For image generation, Leonardo.ai is an absolute powerhouse. It offers incredible control and produces some of the most realistic and creative AI art I've seen, all for free. Ever wanted to edit videos like a pro without the steep learning curve? Pictory.ai can transform your text or articles into engaging videos automatically. It's a lifesaver for content creators. Need to summarize long documents or articles? Quillbot is your go-to. Its paraphrasing and summarizing tools are top-notch, helping you condense information efficiently. Then there's Microsoft Designer's AI Image Creator, which is surprisingly robust and integrates seamlessly if you're in the Microsoft ecosystem. It's another great option for free, high-quality image generation. Let's talk about code. Codium AI is an incredible tool that helps you write better code and even generates unit tests. If you're a developer, this is a massive time saver and can significantly improve your code quality. And finally, for those who love experimenting with voice, 11 Labs offers a free tier for AI voice generation and cloning that is astonishingly realistic. You can create natural-sounding voiceovers with minimal effort. So there you have it, 10 AI tools that are incredibly powerful, surprisingly free, and definitely feel like you're getting away with something. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below.